Hello, I am doing my application on the getepic.com. As you can see right here, it's www.getepic.com. I think this would be a good reading resource for students. It allows students to choose the book that they would like, and it also gives them the ability to have it read to them. They have different videos. There's comics, there's lots of different books on this website, as you can see. They have comics, they have the award winner and honors, so I think it's a good resource for teachers. Again, it's www.getepic.com. It's a good resource for reading, for those students that may need to have something read to them and they can follow along in a book. I can show y'all right here, like I Need a Monster. They can go in and then they can read the book. This would be something that I would use in my classroom.